How's everybody doing? Another one of my ideas came to light. I've been staring at this wall for a long time and I don't like it. It matches my credenza and it's just too close. So I came up with this idea to either, well, it would have been too difficult to try to take it down, you know, and too much. So I thought, well, maybe if I try to paint it, maybe. So I wanted to test a little area, but of course, I had a little extra piece left over and I should have sampled it on that, but I moved that plant and I started over in the corner and I should have started, you know, a little lower where you can't see it. But no, always in a hurry to do something. I just painted one of the slats over there closest to the door. And I just kept going. And believe it or not, I like it. Because I was seriously considering having someone come in, move everything, and tear that slats off the wall. What's that, Home Depot? It's not even acoustical slats, it's just wall paneling. Looked, you know, it looks like slat walls. Anyway, I got up and pulled out my Sherwin-Williams iron ore paint and decided to test it out. And I just kept going. So I just did one side. I said, let me start off and just do one little area and see how that looks before I start going all the way across and make everything black. And believe it or not, what I did, I actually like it. So now I don't have to tear it down. It won't bother me. Everything balances. You know, you got the black door, then you have the black trim at the top, and then you have the soffit, which is painted black. But, and of course the black sconces. But the paneling, like I said, and the TV cabinet credenza is just too close to each other, and it was bugging me. Anyway, as you see, I fixed it. As you can see, I painted that little spot right there, but I had already started over in the corner there, which is too late. I do not think things out, I just do it, and then I screw up. Anyway, I'm going to have to go ahead and paint that whole thing. It's not going to come off right now. So I'm going to go back to my original plan. It's just paint that entire side black. And I'm doing it with a little artist paintbrush, which is time consuming because I'm trying not to get in between the darker black parts. I don't know if I painted the whole thing how that would look, all one color. And you see, I started right there at the edge of the TV. I thought about going over a little bit, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Maybe. That means I would have to go on the bottom. And right now the TV is so close to the cabinet, it doesn't even look like it's on the wall. It looks like it's sitting on the cabinet. But you'll be able to tell once I move all that decorative stuff from down there, all the Halloween stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to have to go ahead and paint that entire side since I've already done that one little corner. Because I was calling myself testing it out. Now, see, if I was testing it, I should have went all the way to the bottom in the spot that's not noticeable. But no, not me. Always in a hurry, trying to do something. Anyway, I kind of like it. It kind of breaks up that, you know, it breaks it up. I had considered doing every other one, but no. Sitting here looking at it, I think I should go over maybe about 1, 2, 3, 4 slats over. Yeah. All right. Here you can see where I used my little artist paintbrush and painted this, excuse me, one at a time. I was trying to avoid going into the black, but eventually in the long run, not being steady-handed, I did end up in the black. Sometimes I tried to wipe it out, and finally I just gave up and said, oh, what the hell, and I just painted the whole thing black and all. And it turned out nicely. as you will soon see what it did to me. And here it is. And it's another angle. I put the sconces up, and I actually like the way it turned out. And this way it keeps me from wanting to tear everything down. I think that looks a whole lot better because you got the soffit over there is black. Then you got a little bit of this, a little bit of the cabinet. Then you have the black over there, and then a little 2 pieces of the same color over there, and then the black, and then the door. So that'll work for me. I'm satisfied for now. Until I come up with another idea to change it again, but I don't see any need to pull it down at this point. Alright, I'll see you all on the next one. You take care. And please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you'll know when I come with another video.